I give it to you, sir, to approach the topic. How do you understand the concept of fundamental rights here?
Yes, fundamental rights chapter was introduced for the first time in 1972 when we first got Sri Lanka became a republic. In the first Republican Constitution, they included a Bill of Fundamental Rights. Then in 1978, also we incorporated a Bill of Fundamental Rights. If we just run through some of those rights, Article 10 to Article 14A, there are 6 articles in which identifies the respective fundamental rights that the people are entitled to.
Hi everyone, this video is about something very important, our fundamental rights as Sri Lankans. These are basic freedoms that protect all of us. No matter speech, freedom of religion, right to equality, they are not just legal terms. These are rights that affect our daily life.
But here's the problem. Many people don't even know what rights they have. Others are afraid to use them. And sometimes, even when people try to get justice through the system, that process is confusing. Even worse, some rights can be unfairly restricted. For example, under laws like the Prevention of Terrorism Act, which has been misused many times. We are making this video not only to explain the provisions in our constitution, but also to ask, are our fundamental rights really working for the people? Do we need reforms to make them stronger and easier to use?
Let's now look at our fundamental rights, problems in our system, and what practical steps we can take to build a better future for everyone.
சட்டத்துறை மாணவி. இந்த நேர்காணலுடைய நோக்கமானது அரசியல் அறிவு தொடர்பாக பொதுமக்களிடம் இருக்கின்ற அறிவை ஆராய்வது. அந்த வகையில் நீங்கள் முதல்ல உங்களை அறிமுகப்படுத்திக் கொள்ளலாம்.
எனது பெயர் சரண்ராஜ். யாழ்ப்பாணம் பல்கலைக்கழகத்தில் வந்து கலைத்துறையில் வந்து புவியியல் பாடத்தில் வந்து சிறப்பு கற்கை.
அந்த வகையில்னா அடிப்படை உரிமைகள் தொடர்பான சொல்ல நீங்கள் கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கிறீர்களா? அது தொடர்பான புரிதல் எப்படி உள்ளது?
அடிப்படை உரிமைகள் அம்சம் வந்து 1978ஆம் ஆண்டு குடியரசு அமைப்பில் சொல்லப்பட்டிருக்கு. அதாவது மனிதனாக இருக்கிற ஒவ்வொருவனுக்கும் வந்து அனுபவிக்கக்கூடிய உரிமைகள் அப்படின்னு சில அம்சங்கள் இருக்குது. அது வந்து யாராலையும் கட்டுப்படுத்தக்கூடாததாக இருக்கும். அதே போல் வந்து அது எந்த சமயத்தில் வந்து மீறப்படாததாக இருக்கும். அதற்காக கொண்டு வரப்பட்ட ஏற்பாடு தான் இந்த அடிப்படை உரிமைகள்.
அடுத்த கேள்வினா, நீங்கள் அதோட இலங்கையில் இருக்கிற பிற மக்கள் இந்த அரசியல் உரிமைகளை வந்து சுதந்திரமாகவும் சமமாகவும் அனுபவிக்கிறார்கள் என்று நீங்கள் நினைக்கிறீர்களா?
நிச்சயமாக இல்லை அப்படின்னு சொல்லலாம். காரணம் என்னன்னு சொன்னால், பல்வேறு பிரதேசங்களையும் இன மத மொழி ரீதியான பாரபட்சங்கள், உரிமை மீறல்கள் நடந்த வண்ணமே உள்ளன. ஆகவே வந்து நிச்சயமாக பல இடங்களில் உரிமை மீறல் நடந்தது.
யாராவது ஒருவர் உரிமையை இழந்ததா உங்களோட மனதில் இருக்கிற உண்மையான நிகழ்வுகள் ஏதாவது இருக்கா?
நிச்சயமாக இதற்கு உதாரணமாக வந்து எனக்கு மலையக மக்களை வந்து சொல்லலாம். மலையக மக்களுடைய உரிமைகள் வந்து பல இடங்களில் வந்து மீறப்பட்டது. குறிப்பாக சொல்லணும்னு சொன்னால் 200 வருட காலங்களாக அதே மண்ணில் உழைச்சாலும் கூட அவனுக்கான இன்னுமே அந்த காணி உரிமை அப்படிங்கிறது வழங்கப்படல. இவ்வாறு பல
அடுத்த கேள்வினா, ஒருவரது உரிமைகள் மீறப்படுகின்ற போது அவர்கள் என்ன செய்யலாம், எங்கு போய் உதவி கேட்கலாம் அப்படின்றது உங்களுக்கு தெரியும்?
நிச்சயமாக மனித உரிமைகள் ஆணைக்குழு அப்படின்ட்டு ஒரு திணைக்களம் இருக்குது. அங்கே எமது உரிமைகள் மீறப்படும் போது முறைப்பாடுகள் செய்யலாம். அதே போல் இலங்கையில் வந்து பல்வேறு நீதிமன்றங்கள் இருக்குது. நீதவான் நீதிமன்றங்கள் இருக்கும், உயர் நீதிமன்றம் மாதிரி பல நீதிமன்றங்கள். இதுகளை போய் நம்ம முறையீடு செய்யலாம். நம்ம பிரச்சனைகள் தெரிவிக்கிறோம்.
இறுதியாகனா, இலங்கையிலே வாழ்கிற மக்கள் இந்த அடிப்படை உரிமைகள் பற்றி விழிப்புணர்வோடு இருக்கிறார்களா என்று நினைக்கிறீர்கள்?
நிச்சயமாக அனைவர் மத்தியிலும் வந்து விழிப்புணர்வு இல்லை. கல்வி கற்ற கல்வி கற்றவர்கள் மத்தியில் வந்து ஓரளவுக்கு விழிப்புணர்வு இருக்குது. ஆனால் சாதாரண பாமர மக்கள் மத்தியில் இந்த அடிப்படை உரிமைகள் தொடர்பான ஒரு விழிப்புணர்வு வந்து நிச்சயமாக இல்லை.
Have you heard of fundamental rights before?
Yes, I have heard about them. I understand fundamental rights as the basic rights and freedom that every citizen should have, like the right to speak freely, practice religion, and be treated equally by the law.
Do you think you and other Sri Lankans enjoy your rights freely and equally?
Not always. Some people enjoy their rights more freely than others, especially those with power or money. Sometimes ordinary people feel afraid to speak openly.
If someone's rights are violated, do you know what they can do or where they can go for help?
They can complain to the Human Rights Commission of Sri Lanka or go to court, but many people don't know the exact process or can't afford legal help.
What reforms do you suggest?
Strengthen their civil education, make fundamental rights and constitutional law a compulsory subject in schools and or vocational institutes. Conduct regular workshops and public awareness campaigns. Improve access to justice. Stabilize legal aid, DESCO, mobile legal aid clinic in rural and underserved areas. Reform the legal system. Strengthen the Human Rights Commission. Protect whistleblowers and human rights defenders. Make rights information more accessible. Encourage community participants.
जय मंगलानी.
Good morning, students. A few announcements before the class. The inter-house sport. You, Sahara, what are you doing?
Madam, I was just saying my morning prayer. I will be over in a minute.
This is a Buddhist school. You can't bring your religion here. Okay? Sit down.
Okay, class. So, who can tell me what happened in 1815?
Teacher.
Yes, Nilu.
Adu, no. Teacher, this, no. Adu, Kandya parents.
Nilu, Sinhala only. If you want to stay here, you have to use the national language. No exceptions.
No, teacher, but I still learn in English. No, Sinhala. I can.
Okay, so back to class. Who gave you permission to put these up?
Madam, we are not breaking anything. We are only informing others. The Constitution guarantees the right to free expression and peaceful assembly.
This is our school. Your right does not overrule the school's authority.
Madam, with respect, these are our fundamental rights, not just mine. Guaranteed under Article 14.
When your rights.
Dear, why are you here?
Still no RAM. How can I get it?
Yes, still no RAM? We have written letters about this, but still no response. They are ignoring the law. Article 12 says, equal access, no discrimination based on disability. But so sad.
I expected this. Even the language I speak is treated like a problem.
I felt ashamed. Just for praying, they say all students are equal, but not here.
That is why we must speak up. These are not just our struggle. They are violation of our fundamental right. Article 10, freedom to religion. Article 12, equality and non-discrimination. Article 14, expression, language and movement.
So, what can we do?
We write to the Human Rights Commission and we keep educating others. Change begin with awareness.
Now, we are giving you a simple summary of the fundamental rights. found in Chapter 3 of Sri Lanka's Constitution. These rights are there to protect your freedom and ensure justice. Let's get into it.
Article 10 say you have freedom to think, believe or follow any religion. Article 11 protect you from torture. No one has right to hurt or degrade you. Article 12 guarantee equity before the law. No one should be discriminated against based on religion, race or gender.
Article 13 is all about legal protections. You can't be arrested without a proper reason. You must be informed that why you are arrested. Then you have a right to a fair trial and you are innocent until proven guilty. And also, no one can be punished for something that wasn't a crime when it's happened.
Article 14 lists many freedom we all enjoy. Freedom of speech, freedom to peaceful gather, freedom to join groups and union, freedom to follow your culture and religion, freedom to work in any legal job or business, freedom to move around the country and return to Sri Lanka.
But of course, these freedoms have some restriction explained under Article 15. They can be restricted for a reason like public order, national security and to protect other people's rights. The government can control gathering if they risk violence. Some restrictions apply to the member of armed force and police to maintain discipline.
Then Article 16, which says some existing all laws can still be valid even they are conflict with these rights. This article is debated, but it's still in Sri Lankan Constitution today. Finally, Article 17 gives us very important right. If your fundamental rights are violated, you can go to the Supreme Court directly under Article 126. This means you have a legal path to justice if government or any other authority acts unfairly.
So, to summarize, these rights protect your freedom and dignity. They help you live, work, speak, believe and move freely. They make sure you are treated fairly by the law and they give you power to challenge injustice in the court.
Then, what can we conclude?
Sri Lanka's constitution gives every citizen powerful protection through fundamental rights.
But with those rights come responsible and reasonable limits to keep peace and fair for all.
Know your rights, respect others. Then, if your rights are violated, speak up. The law is here to protect you.
This is your constitution. These are your rights. Let's protect them together.
Every fundamental right is a human right. The official website of the Human Rights Commission of Sri Lanka is a key platform for protecting and promoting human rights in Sri Lanka. It allows the public to submit complaints about rights violation and track their progress online. The site provides detailed information about the fundamental rights guaranteed under the Constitution, especially Articles 10 to 17, and explains how people can take action if their rights are violated. The website is user-friendly, offers basic accessibility features and available in English with Sinhala and Tamil versions under development. Overall, the site is a powerful tool for both awareness and action, helping citizens learn about their rights and seek justice through peaceful and legal means. We have a strong list of rights in our constitution, but that's not enough. It's time to think about how we can make fundamental rights practical, accessible, and equal for everyone in Sri Lanka. Here are some ideas. Add a right to life and right to privacy. These are not in the constitution right now, but they are basic in any modern democracy. Second one is, many people can't afford lawyers to file fundamental right cases. The Legal Aid Commission should open more regional offices and work in all 3 languages. Third one is, make the petition process easier. People should be allowed to file a FR petition online or through mobile legal clinics. Fourth one is, add anti-corruption safeguards, like create a truly independent anti-corruption agency not controlled by politicians.
Schools should teach fundamental rights in real-life examples, not just theories. Citizens need to respect others' rights and protect public property. We need to balance rights with responsibilities. Fundamental rights are not a luxury. They are foundation of freedom, equality, and dignity for all Sri Lankans. There is a human rights guide in our description. Check it out.